bed last night.
A penguin came and walked on me in the middle of the night.
So we're gonna go down the point down here for a couple of days, couple of nights, so we can get some food, catch our own food. Got a couple of fishing rods, a bottle of water, and a banana. I'm fighting the sun at the minute, so I might have to pack up, keep going, so yo! It's hot. I don't know whose idea it was to wear this long sleeve, but I'm hot. The sun's just gone down over the hill there. I'm gonna get my squid rod out while I got a little bit of light so we can get a squid for dinner on sunset. Once the sun's gone down, I've got my big rod. We'll try and snag a snapper or a gummy through this entrance here. Some pretty big cruises through here, so we'll see if we can get one. Oh, I need some water. How's this? Didn't even have to bring my own mattress. This is perfect. Just gonna sleep here tonight, I reckon. Absolutely perfect. Should sell these at Captain Snoozer, I reckon. All right, let's get into it. All right, while that's going, I'm gonna try and get some stuff to make a fire. So I can stay warm tonight. This stuff looks awesome. All right, got heaps of that. Got the fire going, got me rod out, got the squid jig just over here. She's been pretty quiet. I might be going pretty hungry tonight. I've got a banana, that'll do me. Hopefully there's not too many bugs in my luscious green mattress for the night, but arrivederci, and I'll see you in the morning. No bloody way, there's a freaking penguin. Let's go say g'day. That's where the penguin was. And that's where I'm sleeping. Not far. Morning. That was a shocking sleep. My sleeping bag's soaked. That was my pillow for the night. There's a penguin came and walked on me in the middle of the night. And I hit him and he went flying. Sorry, penguin. I'm gonna get my rod rigged up, see if we can catch some breakfast. The sun's just about to come up over there. I think it's going to be a nice day today, so we'll see what we get. That was my bed last night. Not much to it. She was a rough ride, that's for sure. Alright, while my been drying in the sun for the last hour, I've been squidding just over here. It's been pretty quiet. I've got to move over the next spot, hopefully catch some food. As soon as we do that, we'll make a fire and have a wee bit of a cook up.
been here about 2 hours now. Got a cod, a wrasse, which we got out for bait now on the big rod. I've been trying for squid for the whole time we've been here, but I've had nothing. Just put a slug on, so I'm gonna flick that out so if we can pick up a salmon or a snook or a pike. Just something so we can eat, that'd be nice. Right, we're on. See what we got here. Second cast in. Ew. Oh, he just spat it. Salmon. Literally just put this out. Another swell shark. Come on, quick. Oh, oh no. Oh, it's a banjo. Oh, maybe we could eat him. Always wanted to try him. So we've been here for about 4 hours now. Caught a bunch of stuff. We got a cod, a wrasse, we used him for bait. Got a bunch of swell shots with that. I dropped about 1 kilo salmon down at my feet just over there. At the end I got a banjo shark on the wrasse. I've heard of a few people eating them, good and bad reviews. Stuff it, let's try and eat one. I'll make a fire on the way back and we'll see how it goes and I'll be the judge. I'll let you guys know. Kind of excited. How's this for a bloody setup? Just in the old abandoned quarry. Just found this nice rock ledge, gonna make a fire. I might find a nice small rock, heat that up, whack the fillets on it and sizzle them up. Fire's chewing away. I got some banjo shark fillets in here. Just heating my stone up now and then we'll throw these bad boys on. I got a little bit of salt, a little bit of lemon. Beautiful. I didn't end up cooking her on the stone. There wasn't much firewood around here, so I ended up just chucking them in the coals. It's not bad. It's not great. I mean, I did cook it on an open fire. That banjo shark was pretty average. I don't think I'll be eating that again if I don't have to. Hit that subscribe button. You'll be helping me out heaps, and I'll see you on the next one.